Hey everybody, my name is Michael Brown. I'm the CEO of Swept and former business owner for an office cleaning company. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to generate more leads for your company. Last week I did a video about how I won 80% of my bids and I was not competing at the lowest price. Awesome feedback from you. Thank you so much everyone for reaching out to me. But one of the big questions came back was, this is great. It's a great tip for when we're in there, but how do we get more leads? So that is what today is about. I'm going to share with you some things that we did that really helped fill the top of our sales funnel and bring us more leads. So number one is assess your current client base and find out if there's any trends in terms of companies that you clean for that are a little bit different than a regular office. So for example, daycares. Maybe you clean daycares or maybe you clean dentist offices and you do a great job and their space is a little bit different. So if that's the case, they've probably had some really bad companies in the past. And if you're doing a great job there, they will do a testimonial video for you. So if you capture that video, it could be on a smartphone like this. It can be through an online Google Hangout or Skype session. Doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be high quality production. Just has to really show that you are a great company and why for their particular space. So when you have that, then you can put that piece of content on your website. So if you don't have a website, I urge you, please go out and get one. It used to be thousands of dollars to set up a website. Now it's hundreds. It's not something that we do, but if you have questions about it or you're looking for someone, send me an email and I'll point you in the right direction. So once you have that testimonial video, you want to make sure that when someone gets to your website that they understand that you don't just do janitorial cleaning or you don't just do office cleaning. If they arrive and they have a daycare, they want to make sure that you clean for them. I know people who clean for car dealerships or grocery stores or whatever the case is. So you want them to arrive and see, hey, this company does exactly what I do. Like they clean for my business. And then they see a testimonial video that makes them build trust even more and ask you for a quote. So many times people go to websites, they look around, they're not really sure if it's for them and they leave and it's you can be the best company in the world. It all comes down to how you've positioned yourself online. So step one is get that testimonial video. Step two is get it on your website. Make sure that the language is written in a way that makes them feel comfortable that you can actually do a great job for them. And then step three is go out and target those people. So my business partner, he worked with digital marketing. So he was doing AdWords and things like that. Me, I'm non-technical. I'm kind of old school. I was doing cold calls. So I'd go through and find out every daycare in the cities that we were cleaning, and I'd be cold calling them and having that conversation. And what really worked well when I'd get them on the phone was I'm talking about their space. Like I would make a joke about the tiny toilets. As soon as they hear that, they're like, this guy probably does clean for spaces like me. Maybe we should get a quote. So again, that's get the testimonial video, get it onto your website, and then follow up with people. You could be doing direct mail. You could be showing up at their office, finding them on LinkedIn. Doesn't matter to me. Just make sure that when they get to you, that they really believe you can do a great job because of what you've done in the past. Another thing I'll mention is some of the websites out there, a lot of the websites in our industry are not great. Send me a link to your website. Again, I've seen thousands and thousands of these. I can give you in seconds quick updates on some things I would change. Looking at it from is if I was looking to buy services from you, what would I not really feel comfortable about? Maybe how could I, some things that you could do to help build trust. So I'll do that for free. Just send me an email with your link to your website and I'll get that back to you. So hope this video helped and send more questions. I want to keep sending these videos out to you and helping you grow your business.